Okay, so Kaizen is a word that we heard in Japan really for the first time when we went to study what was Toyota doing, does it apply to us? We probably paid for over 30 trips to Japan just to go and study, so we really went to a place that had codified some of this thinking. And it's really different to say Kaizen than it is to say lean or continuous improvement. So I want to talk a little bit about what does it mean to do Kaizen. So in the most basic sense is if we have the worldview that waste is bad and it's hurting our colleagues, it's hurting our families, it's hurting our customers, community, then there would be a moral problem for businesses that allow that or cause that to be in their business. So Kaizen means change good, but it's even more interesting to think about the word when you look at the Japanese characters, and these are technically Chinese characters. Kai is the idea of change. Zen is the idea of good. It's interesting, the characters that make up the word Kaizen, to me anyways. So the change is a character for self, and you have to add that to the character for whipping. So it's the idea of self-whipping, which brings, to me, discipline. And if you ask most people, how did you learn discipline? It's almost always from somebody who's trying to help them from a motivation of love, not money. So discipline, it's also something that most people don't say, please give me more discipline. So it's a little bit counterintuitive. The characters that make up the word good are actually, it's a little animal like a lamb, and you add that to an altar. So these characters are 3,000 years old, and there is not a Judeo-Christian mindset in China or Japan, certainly 3,000 years ago. So it's super curious to me that this kind of comes with the word sacrifice. So when I say Kaizen, we're actually saying change which is morally right. And it requires bleeding on the behalf of a leader and discipline. So it's a very different word to basically give up yourself a little bit so that others might live. So Kaizen is change that is morally right, taking waste away so that we can create more value.